I first really understood the power of hairstyling was when I opened up a book. I had like photocopied this picture out of this book and brought it to my hairstylist. It was like a burgundy 60s bob, and nobody in my high school had this hair. I just remember that was the moment where I walked out feeling the most like myself that I had ever felt. I just remember that. It's like so powerful to be able to look at something and go, when I think about hair, it's less about the mastery. The mastery became like something that, like, it was nice to be good at something, but like I think about where I'm at today, and it's like, it's little to do about the hair. It's more to do about like not having to conform to society telling me like to do this. And I was like, I just want something that's gonna let me explore who I am and get to know me. Now I help other people decide who they want to be, and that to me is like the most powerful gift, is to like help people meet themselves. And so I just want more people to have that experience. Like anyone who's doing hair, it's like, it's less about me telling you like, here's how to be good at hair. It's like, here's how to meet yourself, and here's how to hold space for another person.